Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Victoria Mutual Building Society VMBS says it is closer to implementing the automated clearinghouse, which will allow payments to be authenticated in real time. VMBS Group CEO Courtney Campbell made the announcement at the company's annual general meeting yesterday.
We're hoping that in a few months, because we have actually been working very closely with the people who manage the ACH, that's Automated Payments Limited, and I'm pleased to say that we have actually done the testing, right? Yeah. And we have actually, the tests have been successful. We have done transfers between us and all the other participating banks in the ACH, and they have gone through successfully.
He says the implementation has been delayed because of legal processes, which will be completed soon.
We're at the stage where it's just some legal paperwork that's being shared between the both of us. And once those have been agreed and signed off, then we expect to go live within very short, a short time period after that.
And the Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services, CARICRIS, has assigned a stable outlook for Victoria Mutual Investments Limited. Now, CARICRIS says it expects the company to remain profitable and adequately capitalized over the next 12 to 15 months. The ratings agency says Victoria Mutual Investments is expected to see growth in its interest-earning asset base and in earnings on the part of subsidiary Victoria Mutual Wealth Management, in line with the company's strategic direction. Local stakeholders in the cruise industry are anticipating what could be an earlier than expected return of cruise visitors to the island. This following the United States Centers for Disease Control (CDC) giving the green light earlier this month for cruise ships with fully vaccinated passengers to start sailing again from American ports. Guidelines issued by the CDC allow ships to skip simulated voyages, which were part of the conditional sailing order for cruises to resume. This was required if ships had at least 95% of passengers and 98% of crew fully vaccinated at least 14 days prior to boarding. The move has essentially cleared the way for cruise lines to go back to their regular itineraries, which include the popular Caribbean region. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $149.54. The Canadian dollar is going for $124.98. The pound closed at $213.66, while the euro is being sold for $184.03. On the stock market, the JSE index gained 754 points today, while the junior market index inched up 33 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000, Consolidated Bakeries, Jetcon Corporation, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Express Catering. Now on the losing side were Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, SSL Venture Capital, Community and Workers of Jamaica, The Lab, and Jamaica Broilers Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.